and welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to make the most famous and popular Brazilian recipe. It's going to be the feijoada. Feijoada is a dish made with black beans and different pork parts. Nowadays, the traditional feijoada is usually made with dry beef, pork sausage, and some people use pork feet and ribs. I particularly prefer only using pork ribs, as it's not so fat. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Feijoada mix. You can find this mix in North America. And it has 1 sliced calabresa sausage, a Brazilian sausage style, 1 sliced chorizo sausage, dry beef cubes, and sliced bacon. 100 grams of side pork ribs, garlic and onion powder to season the ribs, 2 cups of black beans, half onion, 2 pieces of kale, 1 orange, cassava flour, 1.5 cup of rice, salt and oil. Put the black beans in a pressure cooker and add water and salt to your taste. Close it and let it cook in medium heat. Once we achieve the pressure, let it cook for 30 minutes. While we cook the beans, chop the ribs, season it, add the feijoada mix and reserve. We are also going to peel the orange, slice, and reserve it. Chop the onion and cut the kale. It's time to turn off the heat and let the pressure release. Once it's released all the pressure, open the cooker and add all the meat. Close it and turn on the heat again. Wait it to achieve the pressure and let it cook for 20 more minutes. While we let it cook, let's prepare the rice and the kale. Put the rice in a pot, add salt and water, and let it cook for approximately 20 minutes. Fry the onions in a pan and add the kale. Cook it for around 10 minutes total. Turn off the rice and the beans. Let the pressure release and open the cooker. The broth should look a bit thick. If it's not, let it cook a bit longer with the cooker open. Now it's ready and I'm going to serve a bit of rice, then put the feijoada on top. Add the kale, the cassava flour, and the slices of orange. This is a really heavy dish. The orange is usually to help you digest the feijoada, as it has a lot of meat. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and if you tried it at home. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, like the video, and I see you next Thursday.